Hey, welcome to the K9TC channel. Thinking about doing a series of videos called UCIC, and we'll see how this one turns out. If we get pretty good turnout, then, well, guess what? We'll go from there. And first of all, you see a dusty alarm clock that has been sitting out in the shed for a while. Why do I need an alarm clock? Well, I don't know. You get up before the crack of dawn naturally and go to sleep till late. I see an emergency situation even after an EMP. Let's see here. See if we can pop this out. I see a freaking durable alarm clock. Maybe we should just unscrewed it. Well, too late to turn back now. There we go. Yet another use for the Pathfinder tread knife that people didn't really think about. Let's see here. Let's follow this. Take a 9-volt battery. I think the battery's dead. Sorry about that. These batteries are like, they're individually wrapped. Yet again, something I bought from Harbor Freight. Well, damn it. Sorry about that, everybody. It works. I'm just messing around with it. Ow. FYI, don't do it in your hands. See if I can. Yep, it works. You gotta do what you gotta do. In a survival situation, well, you gotta do it. So, okay. Would have thought you can have fun with a 9-volt battery and a really, I guess, now that I'm thinking back, I probably should have just took the screws out of it and yeah. So, and as always, go in and see what you can take out, and about anything you think you can use, if you think you can use it, and have fun, everybody. Sniff you later. And man, I burned my finger.